Hi, this is Max at Nichols Marine in Tulsa, your tritoon headquarters. This is our 2024 closeout, brand new Bennington 22 foot. It's a silver and blue Bennington 22 SXSR boat, motor, and trailer. We got over $25,000 off on this boat. $54,995 boat, motor, and trailer. The owner says, let's make somebody a deal. End of summer special. In-floor storage. Great front couches, 2 captain seats, very comfortable captain seats, in-floor storage, 4-inch Garmin at the dash, Bluetooth stereo, 2 more large, comfortable rear couches, 150 Yamaha, 5-step lily pad ladder. This boat is incredibly priced, $54,995. Come see us, 6556 East 21st Street in Tulsa. Give me a call at 918-838-2500.